आधा सवादा कभी, आधे से ज़्यादा कभी, जी चाहे कर लूं इस तरह वफ़ा का। छोड़े न छूटे कभी, तोड़े ना टूटे कभी, जो धागा तुमसे जुड़ गया वफ़ा का। मैं तेरा सरमाया हूँ, जो भी मैं बन पाया हूँ तुमसे ही, तुमसे ही। रास्ते मिल जाते हैं, मंजिलें मिल जाती हैं तुमसे ही, तुमसे ही। ना है पाना, ना होना ही है, तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है। जब वी मेट, आई थिंक हम सभी ने, हम इंडियंस ने बहुत बार देखी होगी और बहुत बार कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं हम जब वी मेट से। गीत का जो कैरेक्टर है और जो अंशुमन बीइंग द पर्सन हु रिजेक्टेड गीत एंड देन जो भी सिनेरियोस चले उनकी लाइफ में, अमेजिंग मूवी। मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ आई थिंक बहुत बार देखी होगी। आई लव दिस सॉन्ग। तो हम जल्दी से टैरेट रीडिंग शुरू करते हैं। उससे पहले yes, I do read your comments and some are great, some are bad. Many of you were like, you know what, you somehow reminds us of Kapil Raj, and absolutely, whether it's Kapil Raj, whether it's Dr. Arjun Pai, whether it's Pandit Sanjay Rath, I mean, these are the people who taught me. I mean, something or the other, I always listen to them, and the techniques which they tell me, oh my goodness, they are amazing. They are just amazing. I think they are the best astrologers out there. And Dr. Arjun Pai, the Pai team is amazing. Kapil Raj doing a great job. And the astrologer, the great Sanjay Rath, I am a big fan of him. Big fan of him. I mean, the predictions, the tithis which he was discussing, and how tithis becomes important. It's just not the 7th house of love, relationship, marriage. It's actually the 9th house which should be considered before matchmaking and this and that, horoscope matching, because 9th house represents dharma. And whenever we say that, oh, wo meri dharam patni hai, dharam pati hai, dharam meaning dharma, 9th house becomes important. In what tithi you were born, all these things are really very important. And we young astrologers are, okay, you have this placement, all right, you have this conjunction, so this will happen, this and this nakshatra is working there. But we forget the basics, which are what? Tithis. And I mean, basics, fundamentals, these becomes really important. If you are a person who is in love with astrology, you should know about tithis. If you don't, then don't even, just forget. Just go on YouTube, see and type tithi and see what happens when you see tithis and tell your experience. It's great. Tithi system is great. And the nakshatra padhas becomes important. They were, I knew that it is important, but getting into the depth of it, it's like, God, it's an amazing experience. So yes, there is just not one teacher who taught me. No, there are many who taught me and taught me something different about astrology, taught me something different about Jyotish. And everybody, whether it's Dr. Arjun Pai, I still have his book, Nakshatra book, Dr. Arjun Pai, I mean, amazing book. And then we have Pandit Sanjay Rath ji. I mean, he is the one. And Kapil Raj, very amazing personality. I mean, he makes Jyotish so incredibly unique in his own way, and that's something which we all look forward to. These are the people who are great. They know you. So I, as a person, I like being जब भी एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बारे में बात होती है, ज्योतिष के बारे में बात होती है, आई एम अ चाइल्ड हु लुक अप टू दोज पीपल एंड दिस इज हाउ थिंग्स आर एंड दिस इज हाउ वी सी दिस इन द टाइमिंग एंड मुहूर्ता एंड दिस एंड दैट. आई गेट fascinated. It's like a child in a candy shop and seeing those candies, different candies, and getting excited about it. So that's me, who is still a student of astrology and student of Jyotish, but even the 40 years, even the 50 years are still the students of Jyotish, because Jyotish is something which we have to learn every day. It's not something, okay, हमने पढ़ाई कर ली and now we are just doing it. No, every day an astrologer learns something or the other. Learning becomes important every day. So every day an astrologer is learning something or the other, every day. And I would say that what I do is that I combine tarot and astrology. That is something which I have. That's my art, and I love to do that. I love to just mix it up and see what happens, and I have seen great results with it. That's why I do consultations. But yeah, that's probably, some people like it, some people do not, so that's again your choice. So let's just get into the, it's about you. This video is about you. This tarot reading is about you. What kind of person are you and what type of skills you have. That's why in this video we are gonna see कि 3 pile है. First pile, again, it's moon sign. Alright, so first pile we have Sattvic gunas, then second pile we have Rajasic gunas, then we have the third pile Tamasic gunas. Moon in Sattvic sign, moon in Rajasic sign, moon in Tamasic signs. Alright, so these are the things. Okay, all those people who do not know where their moon is placed, so do not worry, I got you. So let's just get into the reading now. And before that, I just wanted to tell you one more thing. I mean, it's very interesting. It's very, very interesting. So if you are interested in astrology, then listen to it. Otherwise, just go to the timestamps and see your reading, right? So the thing which is important in astrology is a person. हम कई बार देखते हैं कि एक इंसान जो है वो बचपन से ही बहुत ज़्यादा mature है. They have that maturity level. And there are people also who are late bloomers, जिनको 20 साल की उम्र तक या 25 साल की उम्र तक बचपना ही रहता है और बड़े ही नहीं होते हैं वो लोग. We all have been with those people, और या फिर आप वो खुद हो. You know those people, right? जो अभी भी जिनके अंदर पूरा बचपन है, जो कि 25 साल के भी हो गए, and still they are just running around the house and doing childish things, right? So how can we see that astrologically? It's an easy, simple thing. So do not worry. So the number one thing is that you have to see what padha they are born in. See, for example, a person born in, let's say, the person born in Bharani Nakshatra. Alright? A person is born in Bharani Nakshatra, meaning their moon is in Bharani. A person is born when moon was transiting Bharani Nakshatra, and moon was in its first padha. So, first padha, Bharani, moon. What we see from here, there are 4 padhas, right? We have 4 padhas, and Bharani also have 4 padhas, and the person is born in the first padha of Bharani, and Bharani is ruled by Venus. Venus की महादशा 20 years की होती है. For 20 years this person will be headless. They will see children, they run around the house, right? They run around the house, and we see that we cannot say anything to them because God's sake, they are children. They will run around the house. But now what? The child, till their 20th year, they are going to be headless, just like Ketu. Just like Ketu, the person will be headless. They won't have that thinking, that brain, that they are now adult. So they have to behave like an adult. So you will see that the Padha 1, Padha 2 people will be like this. Will be headless for, like, because this Bharani is this person is born in moon in Bharani, so Venus ki Mahadasha mein they will be born. So definitely for 20 years, वो person जो है headless रहेगा. That person will not grow. They are going to be the late bloomers. Whereas a person born in, let's say, Bharani, 4th Padha, 3rd Padha or 4th Padha, we'll see that this person is naturally very, you can say, adult, naturally adult. They are just not like children. They are not childish that much. So their childhood just got over early. And the dasha, the Venus dasha itself, हाँ बच्चा है तो वो बच्चों जैसी हरकत करेगा, but when that child grows, they are in their teenage, that child will be like an adult. That's true. So this can be seen. This can be seen. A person who is late bloomer, a person who is still childish, a person who is an early bloomer, these things can be seen from just a single placement. Just the moon placement itself. So how amazing is astrology? How amazing is Jyotish, the light of God? Jyotish means Jyoti plus Ish. Jyoti means light, Ish means God, light of God. So it's amazing, like just amazing things. So let's just get into the reading now. हेलो पाइल नंबर 1, तो ये आपकी रीडिंग आपने चूज़ करा है ये रेड कलर का क्रिसमस ट्री. ऑल्दो क्रिसमस इज ओवर बट माई choices are still the same. तो आपका जो मून है वो है आपके सात्विक साइंस में, मीनिंग कैंसर, लियो, सेजिटेरियस एंड पाइसिस. And why these signs are sattvic? Because Cancer is ruled by moon, and without moon our water level will not be balanced in our body, neither in the environment. I mean अर्थ पे भी जो है वो वाटर जो है मेंटेन नहीं होगा. द टाइडल वेव्स आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय द मून. So waxing and waning of the moon becomes important. Then we have the sun. Leo is ruled by sun. Without sun there is no life. Without sun there is no light. So sun becomes very, very important, even for plants, even from humans. So then we have the Sagittarius and Pisces, which is ruled by what? Jupiter. Jupiter is the big graha which which protects our earth from meteors. Otherwise, if Jupiter wasn't there, then our earth would have been already destroyed and we won't be here, right? So Jupiter becomes important. Jupiter is the gurus of devas. So let's just get into their reading कि आप जो हो, आप कैसे person हो, आप में क्या skills हैं, and who are you really? Who are you? So ये जो है आज हम इस टैरेट रीडिंग से जानेंगे. हम करियर के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. आपके अंदर क्या क्या स्किल्स हैं जिनको आप जो हो यूज़ कर सकते हो टू गेट मनी, टू गेट वेल्थ. सो दैट्स दैट. पाइल नंबर 1 जो है उनके पास क्या स्किल्स हैं, वो कैसे पर्सन है. पाइल नंबर 1 कैसे पर्सन है और कैसे उनके स्किल्स हैं, क्या स्किल्स हैं उनके पास. All right, we have 7 of swords, we have 4 of wands, we have 9 of cups, we have Knight of cups, we have the lovers card. All right, and we also have the devil. Okay, थोड़ा of course the devil card आया है तो हम बात करेंगे devil के बारे में भी. Let me just see कि कौन कौन से cards हैं. वैसे हम एक मास्टर कार्ड टाइप जो एक कार्ड होता है वो भी निकाल लेते हैं. मैं बहुत सारी टैरेट रीडिंग देखती हूँ खुद भी, और मैं देखती हूँ कि कुछ मास्टर कार्ड होता है. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो सीन समबडी रोट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आप मास्टर कार्ड क्यों नहीं यूज़ करते, ऐसा क्यों नहीं करते. एंड आई वाज लाइक मास्टर कार्ड समथिंग इज देयर इज वन कार्ड विच टेल्स द होल पर्सनैलिटी और द होल एनर्जी ऑफ द पाइल. इसको मास्टर कार्ड कहते हैं, राइट? आई होप आई एम राइट. सो tarot is fun, astrology is fun. We have the sun card here, all right, and we also have the devil here. So sun represents that positivity. Sun represents कि you are positive, you are lucky. The luck is there in your life. वो एक जो छत्र छाया होती है भगवान की, वो सिर पे है. So that's great. But at the same time, we have the 11th house, the devil. Even if it is a sattvic pile, then also we have the tamas gunas. And definitely, जो भी आप देख रहे हो, you will be a person who wants to dress up well, who wants to express themselves materialistically. You are that person. You are not a very spiritual person. If the sun card came, positivity, spirituality, no. Yes, it can happen that there will be in your chart, there will be placements which makes you very spiritual, which makes you very optimistic person. But you do express yourself materialistically. I'm not saying that that's wrong. It's absolutely correct. Because you are on this Bhumandala, so you have to dress up well. You cannot just move like an aghori. No. Not like me. You cannot move like me because I think I have the worst sense of style. It's not my words, it's actually my mom's words. She says that I do not know how to dress up, and I agree with her. Like many of the times I also see the comments that you dress up or you look ugly, and I'm like, damn, I look that. I'm so sorry. But I'm not one of the people who I would say कि मैं बहुत glamorous हूँ. No, I'm not. And you, if I have to predict something from this pile, definitely you are a person who loves to dress up well, who likes to make hairstyles, who wants to express themselves materialistically by wearing something or by wearing a watch, by wearing jewelry. You want to express yourself materialistically in terms of fashion. You are that person. At the same time, we have 9 of Cups here, और वो भी devil के ऊपर ही है ये वाला card. So definitely it tells us कि आप जो भी person हो, you are wealthy, and if you are not, you will be. In this lifetime, you will be wealthy. I'm not saying financially stable here. Financially stable means that, okay, average, fine. But when I say wealthy, it definitely means wealth. This wealth may come after higher education. You may gain this wealth after your higher education or after you get married. That's there. Marriage becomes important. And then we also have the Lovers card. The Lovers definitely tells me the unionship. And you can be a person who have a dominating Libra sign. Libra says, I want to be in relationships. Correct. Absolutely correct. And for a Libra, if they want to find that individualism, they have to be in relationships. That's again you. And that can be you. See, then we have 4 of Wands, which represents a mandap, which represents the 9th house. And 9th house is all about the higher education. It's about rituals. It's about pilgrimage travel. It's about mandap. It's about marriage ceremony. It's about, marriage in Hindu culture is a ceremony. It's a, it's a ceremony जहाँ पर सारे लोग होते हैं और mantras are being used, and that's how you get married in Hindu culture. So marriage is there. Then we have Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups again represents the energy of rom-com. And let me tell you, from this pile I do get the feeling of Anuradha Nakshatra. I have to tell you this because I am very much interested into astrology, so I have to. So this pile does represents Anuradha Nakshatra, and Anuradha में नाम में ही राधा है. So you can be a person who can be a hopeless romantic. You can be a hopeless romantic. But let me tell you, Radha, I should say, let me remind you, Radha didn't got Krishna. So do keep in mind, early in life, don't fall for anyone. Don't fall for anyone. Because as soon as you fell for someone, that someone is gonna go away. And boom, you're like crying. You are like going crazy because Radha got crazy when Krishna left her. So for Anuradha person, always your Lagna is in Anuradha, your moon is in Anuradha Nakshatra, your sun is in Anuradha Nakshatra, your Atma Karaka is in Anuradha Nakshatra. Do not fall for a person until and unless you are in the mandap with that person. It's a clear indication also. I see the mandap here. So do not fall for anyone. Do not say I love you. Do not fall in love. Yes, you have to eventually fall in love with the person you marry, but you need to be very cautious in at least till your 28th year, because Mars matures at 28. So before 28, do not fall for anyone. That's the advice here. Because you are a person who is very soft-hearted, and who may even get backstabbed by other people. Backstabbing can be the case because we have the 7 of Cups, which is about backstabbing. So whether it's lovers, whether it's any relationship, just keep your distance with people. That's really important. And even you see a tarot reading, चाहे वो मेरी tarot reading हो, चाहे वो किसी और की tarot reading हो, just take it like a grain of salt. That's it. दिल पे मत लेके जाओ, because these all are general readings. So you can be a person who really believes in something, because believes in astrology or believes in tarot, because Radha herself was a great mystical person, a great astrologer. She got crazy because Krishna left her, so she went to the jungles, and from there she got the mystical power. So you can say astrological astrology education. So definitely you can be a person who can be very much interested into astrology, occult, mysticism, tarot. These things becomes really important for you. And this can also become your profession. It can. But most of the time I've seen Anuradha people going in commerce, going in maths and calculation, accounting and these kind of things, and taxes, taxation, government jobs. So Anuradha, naturally, they just go there. And definitely the person finds wealth. And especially Anuradha person will have a friend, a Persian friend, an Iranian friend. There will be some connection with Persia. And Anuradha itself represents friendship. So an Anuradha person is always like, I'm there for you. I'm your friend, I'm there for you. So you are a person who will say to their friends that, I'm there for you. Just tell me I'm there for you. That's friendship. And you as a person can also be a person, and Anuradha person will be the person who will give more importance to the friends as compared to family. Friendship becomes important because this nakshatra is about Varuna and Mitra. Mitra means friend. So it can also happen, जिस person को आप like करते हो, आपका जो friend है वो भी उसी person को like करे. And it had happened, especially when it comes to males. This story has played out. Females में इतना नहीं हुआ, but males में मैंने ये देखा कि होता है ऐसा. I have seen people who came for consultation and they had dominating Anuradha, and when I asked them that कि आप जो हो और आपके friend जो है एक ही female के पीछे थे, ऐसा था कुछ? And he said that it had happened, and it does happen with males. That they just they just fantasize, or they just are fascinated by one female, the same female. So that happens. And Anuradha people always have plumbing issues in their house. So you may have plumbing issues in your house. So check your pipes. It's not that, okay, my tap is working fine, so everything is fine. No, always at least once in year or twice in year आपने अपनी जो pipes हैं उनको check ज़रूर कराना है, because if the pipe has some problem, Anuradha person just do not flourish in their life. So pipes becomes important, the plumbing system becomes important. And because Anuradha and somehow Anuradha people are also connected to ISKCON temple. They are connected to Krishna consciousness. They are also the people. You can also be a person who will have this unorthodox thinking, who are not the people who are dogmatic. No, You bring something, if you say something, that's something which is very different. आप ऑर्थोडॉक्स पर्सन नहीं हो, आप कुछ ना कुछ न्यू चीज़ जो है दूसरे लोगों के लिए लेके आना चाहते हो. एंड यू आर ऑल्सो द पर्सन हु वी कैन से आर द ट्रेंड सेटर्स. एंड दिस इज द अनुराधा पायल एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यू. सो जो भी अभी मैंने कहा, दैट्स अबाउट यू. एंड समथिंग मोर इफ आई कैन रिमेंबर अबाउट अनुराधा. सी एक तो पता है, यूट्यूब पे हम हर चीज़ शेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं. दैट्स द रियलिटी, दैट्स द रियलिटी. तो वी ऑलवेज हैव टू बी. मैंने अपनी जो पिछली कुछ वीडियोज़ है उनमें भी कुछ पार्ट्स कट करने पड़े हैं मुझे. एंड बिकॉज आई फील कि ये चीज़ यूट्यूब पे नहीं होनी चाहिए. देयर आर सर्टन थिंग्स अबाउट अनुराधा ऑल्सो दैट आर काइंड ऑफ डार्क और मिस्टिकल, और जस्ट देयर आर द थिंग्स विच आई टेल यू अबाउट सर्टन नक्षत्रा आर ओनली द गुड पार्ट. सिर्फ अच्छा पार्ट. अनुराधा also have some dark themes. Every nakshatra has that. Whether it's Satvik nakshatra, then also. So yeah, I just wanted to just clarify this. So let's just now talk about your profession. Let's just talk about your skills. See, if you have the Saturn and Mars combination, definitely you are a technical person. It makes you technical. Even if you are not doing engineering, then also you are a person who is very technical, because Saturn represents machines, Mars represents engineering. So definitely the person can go into engineering, mechanical engineering, but definitely we can predict that this person is technical. Moon with the Saturn becomes very restricted. Moon with Saturn becomes very restricted, becomes very practical in life. So practicality becomes important for them. We have message of concern, we have official person, we have the bad health. So यहाँ पर जो है गवर्नमेंट जॉब जो है, आपका ऐसा प्रोफेशन हो सकता है जहाँ आप गवर्नमेंट के लिए काम करो, एक अच्छी पोजीशन पे काम करो, और यहाँ पर मैसेज ऑफ कंसर्न भी है और यहाँ पर बैड हेल्थ भी है. कहीं ना कहीं या तो कुछ इस पाइल में से जो है हीलिंग प्रोफेशंस में हो सकते हैं. हीलिंग प्रोफेशंस लाइक जो MBBS कर रहे हैं या फिर MD करने वाले हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स मेडिकल प्रोफेशंस जो है वो यहाँ दिख रहे हैं. कुछ लोग जो है जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स हैं, क्लरिकल वर्क्स जो है, क्लरिकल जॉब्स जो है उसमें भी काम कर सकते हैं. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जॉब्स जो हैं वो इन ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिपार्टमेंट्स जो हैं उनमें काम कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पर राइटिंग बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. और डेफिनेटली द सन कार्ड इज़ हेयर. The sun card is here and sun represents authority, sun represents king, and आज की डेट में king और kingdom क्या है? Government. So definitely this pile may work in government. It can happen. It can happen like that. You may work in government. The age 22, you can be a person who is watching this pile right now at the age of 22. यानी आप 22 years के हो सकते हो, 31 years के भी हो सकते हो, 14 years के भी हो सकते हो, 16 years के भी हो सकते हो, 15 years के भी हो सकते हो, 17 years के भी हो सकते हो, 19 years के भी हो सकते हो, 29 years के भी हो सकते हो, 24 years के भी हो सकते हो आप. So these are the years which I can see here. And something more if I can say. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So this was your reading, pile number 1. I shall see you in the next reading. Till then, be positive, stay happy. Bye-bye. हेलो पाइल नंबर 2. तो ये है आपकी रीडिंग. आपने चूज़ करा है ये ग्रीन कलर का क्रिसमस ट्री, और अगर आपने अपने मून साइन से चूज़ करा है तो आपका जो मून साइन है वो रजास साइंस में, यानी कि आपका जो मून है वो एरीज, टॉरस, जेमिनाई, लीब्रा में से किसी में placed है. तो why Aries is a Rajasic sign? Because Aries represents the physical body. Aries represents that I am here, and sun get exalted in the sign of Aries because sun represents our ego. Then we have the sign of Taurus, which is about wealth, which is about family, kutumb. And then we have the sign of Gemini, which is about sports, which is about playing, which is about writing, it's about social media, it's about short distance travel, it's about your younger sibling. I mean, there are so many things which Gemini represents. We have the sign of Libra, which says that I want to be in relationships, I want to be in contract, whether it's business contract, whether it's marriage contract. So that's why these things are Rajasic. We enjoy these things on this Bhumandala. That's why it's Rajas, and your moon is in this sign. So definitely you will have the qualities. So let's just see कि आप जो हो, आप कैसे पर्सन हो और आपके क्या क्या स्किल्स हैं. करियर के बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे, बट आप पर्सन कैसे हो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. पाइल नंबर 2 जो है कैसे पर्सन है. 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 We have the 5 of swords, we have the temperance card here, we have the world card here, we have 3 of cups, we have the high priestess, and we have 9 of pentacles. All right, high priestess, very intuitive. Temperance, patience is there. We have 3 of cups, which represents Milan Sarona. And we have the world card, which tells us there is that desire in you to travel the world. I mean, everybody has that desire, but you being a Rajasic moon will love to enjoy the life. कुछ लोगों के लिए ये होता है कि हमने सर्व करना है लोगों को, हमने जो है अपनी ज़िंदगी मैनकाइंड के लिए, ह्यूमन्स के लिए लगा देनी है, सेवा के लिए लगा देनी है, बट यू वॉन्ट टू एन्जॉय लाइफ. यू आर दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, रजासिक पर्सन. देन फाइन फूड्स बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. हम कुछ और आपके लिए जो मास्टर कार्ड है वो निकालते हैं. मास्टर कार्ड आपके लिए, आपकी जो पर्सनैलिटी है. वी हैव द टावर कार्ड हेयर. ऑल राइट, we have the tower, meaning the 8th house becomes really important. The 8th house is about occult, mysticism, surgeries. It's about digging deep, isn't it? And we also have the temperance card. So today I'm really very happy. If you have noticed, it's because the number one thing I am I am sleeping these days. I am sleeping a lot these days, जो कि मुझे काफ़ी एनर्जेटिक बनाता है. एंड बीइंग उत्तरा फाल्गुनी पर्सन, एंड उत्तरा फाल्गुनी एंड पूर्व फाल्गुनी पर्सन हैव टू स्लीप. सी, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. स्लीप बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर पूर्व एंड उत्तरा फाल्गुनी. If you can take naps twice a day, thrice a day, amazing. You are going to flourish in your life and you are going to enjoy the life also. So मैं ये ना काफ़ी टाइम से नहीं कर रही थी and I was feeling really bad. I was feeling sad also because कहीं ना कहीं there was that need to sleep and then I was like क्या हो रहा है ये, ऐसा क्यों मुझे फील हो रहा है. And then I realized कि खुद एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर हो के मैं ये गलती कर रही हूँ कि आई नो इफ़ आई स्लीप आई विल फील हैप्पी एंड आई विल फील एनर्जेटिक. आई विल फील द एनर्जी अगेन. And sleep definitely becomes important for every person, but for Purva and Uttara Falguni, sleep becomes extremely important. Extremely important. And for you, let's just get into your reading. The number one thing for you, you are a person who wants to dig deep into things. You are a person who wants to get into the depth of anything. किसी भी चीज़ को जानने के लिए you want to know the history. You are also a person who may study history, who may love history, who may study archaeology, anthropology becomes important. You are also a person who can go into MBBS also, who can do surgeries also. A very good surgeon can be seen from this, like this pile. And why a good surgeon? Why going deep inside the things or anything? Because we have the eighth sign, the sign of Scorpio, and we also have the ninth house or ninth sign, Sagittarius. See, Scorpio deals with digging deep, going behind the scenes, and ninth house or the sign of Sagittarius also have the nakshatra of Moola. And Moola, if you know, is about digging deep. It's about the roots. Some people can also be the people whose family are into agriculture. Agriculture becomes important here. So for you and also for your family, you can be the people who are into agriculture, who are the people who may love to dig deep into things and get to know things. You are a Moola person, especially a Moola person. If your ascendant is in Moola, if your sun sign or moon sign is in Moola, or your Atma Karka is in Moola nakshatra, you would see that as a child you would have opened your toys up to see कि ये ऐसा चल क्यों रहा है. कि ऐसा है क्यों, उसको खोल के देखना. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं जो टॉयज को खोल देते हैं, एकदम खराब करके रख देंगे, बट देखेंगे कि अंदर है क्या, कि ये चल रहा है ऐसे. सो दिस टेंडेंसी, दिस थिंकिंग कि ऐसा क्यों है, वाई, these things can also be seen from Moola. And the people definitely love watching shows like CID and conspiracy theories, UFO and this and that. They love that. Even Satyabhisha people love to watch about or see something about CFOs or something which is see, Satyabhisha is a bit different, but this pile can also have Satyabhisha because we have the world card. Satyabhisha is about Varuna. So Varuna is represented by the 1,000 stars. So Satyabhisha person will definitely have interest towards the sky. कि ये जो तारे हैं, ये जो planets हैं, ये क्या हैं. तो as a child they will be fascinated by these planets, CFOs things, CFO theories and this and that. And these people become really eccentric, but definitely the person can go into Air Force. The person can go into the fields of astrology also, occult also, but more so Air Force, serving the government, civil services, and the person can also go into history, become a history teacher, professor, because 9th house deals with higher education and PhDs. So the person can definitely, you can do PhDs or you can become a teacher, a very good teacher, a patient teacher. So that's there. एंड जो वो क्वेश्चंस है कि ऐसा क्यों है, वाई, हाउ, दीज क्वेश्चंस आर द क्वेश्चंस विच यू मे आस्क एवरी डे टू योर सेल्फ कि मैं सुबह उठ रहा हूँ, मैं ये पढ़ाई पढ़ रहा हूँ और मैं जो हूँ ये जॉब कर रहा हूँ, पर ऐसा क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं, वाई डू आई हैव टू डू दीज थिंग्स. सी अगेन the things which I learned yesterday only about what was that, moon placed in a horoscope, like if your moon is placed in 1st, 2nd, 3rd or 4th house, you will have the tendency to focus on the present. The moon which is placed in 5th, 6th, 7th or 8th house, then that person will have the tendency to think about the future. The person who have moon in their 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th house, they will have the tendency to think about past, to think about history, to think about astrology, because astrology is or Jyotish is a you can say a subject or an aspect of our life which is from our past. जो Jyotish है, it came from the rishis, so it's a past thing. ये जो astrology है, ये पुरानी चीज है. It came from the Vedas. So definitely the person will have interest towards the past, whereas a person whose moon is in 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th position, that person will always think about the future, what will happen next day, what will happen years after that, and this kind of thinking. And if the person has moon in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th house, the person will be highly interested in the present only. Now this is again a simple trick, but we as young astrologers forget about these things and go into technical things and forget about these things. So if your moon is, like I told you, the placement अगर ऐसा है तो you can predict it for yourself कि आपकी thinking क्या है. But definitely you are the person who wants to know about life and death. Bharani Nakshatra also comes into play here. Bharani is the person, or Bharani is the lord of Bharani, the deity of Bharani is Yama, the lord of death, the god of death. So definitely life and death becomes important. If the person, I mean, if you are watching this and you are in medical field and you are a Bharani person, you would love to be a gynecologist. You want to be a gynecologist because gynecology में क्या होता है? When a child is being born, a life is there, like the life is coming out from the womb, and Bharani is described by the womb. The Bharani, if the symbolism of Bharani is a womb. So definitely the Bharani person, if they are in the medical field, especially in their medical field, they are interested into gynecology. And I have seen Bharani people, gynecologists. They are. OBG something jo bhi hota hai, but they are the gynecologists. And they love to see the life coming out. So that fascination is there. Life and death fascination for you, pile number 2, is there. Some planets will be in Bharani, some planets will be in Moola, some planets will be in other nakshatras which are making you, and because of them you're behaving in a certain way, and that's your destiny also. We have the High Priestess. Yes, as I told you, this is an intuitive card, so definitely your intuition is aligned. It's aligned. It's not कि आप इधर सोच रहे हो इधर सोच रहे हो. It's aligned. Even if you think that आप जो हो कई बार अपना focus खो देते हो, but it's still aligned. It is still aligned. So do not worry. Three of Cups, as I told you, you are a person who loves to be in relationships, or especially friendship becomes important in this pile also. Three of Cups represents friendship. It represents giving time to friendship. Friendship करना is easy, but to maintain that friendship, it's difficult, but you know how to maintain it. And the World card definitely tells us the desire to travel the world, to live in foreign lands, to even for few people, they will work in MNCs also, because it's a general reading. I have to give certain careers also. So we have Five of Swords, which represents that confusion, which represents the we can say again confusion, but not being victorious. And early in life it can happen, there can be confusion that what to do, what not to do. These things can happen, but let me tell you, within 5 months or within 5 days this confusion will get over. जैसे ही आपने ये रीडिंग देखी, 5 days या 5 months या 5 weeks में आपकी जो confusion है वो दूर हो जाएगी. Nine of Pentacles represents abundance. Nine of Pentacles represents springtime. Nine of Pentacles represents abundance in every aspect. Not just आपके आसपास abundance है, आपकी career अच्छा चल रहा है, आपकी education अच्छी चल रही है, आपके रिश्ते अच्छे हैं. No, abundance means यहाँ से भी आप abundant हो. Self care becomes really important, and you know self care, how to care about your own self. You know that. So कुछ और कार्ड्स भी निकाल लेते हैं पाइल नंबर 2 आपके लिए. पाइल नंबर 2 के करियर, उनके स्किल सेट्स. सी मैंने ये पाइल नंबर 1 में भी कहा था कि बिकॉज इट्स अ जनरल रीडिंग, सो आई हैव टू कवर दीज थिंग्स, कि अगर इफ़ यू हैव सैटर्न मार्स कॉम्बिनेशन, सैटर्न इज कंजंक्ट मार्स. सी सैटर्न रिप्रेजेंट्स machines, Mars represents the engineering. It's not important that you have to be an engineer to be technical. Saturn Mars combination describes a person have the technical skills. A person is technical, so definitely you can go into technical fields. Whereas if Moon is conjunct with Saturn and is closely conjunct with Saturn, first of all the mother, the relationship with the mother, and especially if Ketu is also there aspect, or if Ketu is sitting with the Moon, with Saturn and Moon, definitely we see that the person's relationship with the mother becomes bad. It just, because the mother becomes controlling, because the mother becomes quite you can say a person who restricts you to do certain things, and every person wants to flourish in their own way, but whenever this combination comes of Moon, Ketu, Saturn, of course these three have to be closely conjunct, then the mother becomes the person who restricts the native, who kind of makes boundaries for the natives. So, but again the mind becomes very practical in things, in relationships also, the mind becomes very practical. So let's just see आपके करियर जो हैं वो क्या हो सकते हैं. पाइल नंबर 2 के करियर. ओके, वी हैव ऑफिशियल पर्सन, वी हैव द फॉल्स पर्सन, वी हैव कोर्ट हाउस हियर. डेफिनेटली लॉ बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. इन कार्ड से तो यही पता लग रहा है, लॉ बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. बीइंग इन गवर्नमेंट बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज बिकम इम्पॉर्टेंट. And we have the false person. Being a spy, being a person who can be into police also becomes important. For few people, जो पाइल नंबर 2 है, आप शायद जो हो, जो पाइल नंबर 2 है, आप जो हो पुलिस के लिए और गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हो, एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हो, कुछ LLB कर रहे हैं, तो ये सारे प्रोफेशंस बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. द एज 23, 22, 18, 19, 13, 14, 21, 25, 32, 35 become important for you. I mean, आप इस एजेस के हो सकते हो, या फिर these ages becomes important in your life. Because हर एज पर कोई ना कोई नक्षत्र gets activated. That's why if you have studied astrology, you will see that हर एक नक्षत्र की कोई एज होती है, और वो कई सारी एजेस होती है, कई सारी. Of course मुझे याद नहीं है वो एजेस, बट डेफिनेटली वेन एवर आई हैव टू सी द चार्ट्स, मेरी जो चीट शीट होती है, I always have that. And many people also talk about the Garga system. Like, Garga system is one of the systems which are really amazing. If you think you want to study about Garga system, Garga degrees, amazing concept of astrology. Because जो एक तो है हमारा जो normal system है नक्षत्रास को देखने का, the degrees are quite different in Garga system because moon moves differently in every nakshatra. Yes, I mean, all these things are fascinating. Now, if we have already talked about Sanjay Rath, and we have already talked about Kapil Raj or Dr. Arjun Pai, these things, if you are very much interested into astrology, you would have heard about Garga system. I mean, I had to tell you this because the 8th house is there. So again, having something related to astrology also, which may be in astrology, ये जो गर्गा सिस्टम है इसको शायद इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दिया गया, इतना बोला नहीं गया इसके बारे में. एंड 8th हाउस इज अबाउट द सीक्रेट्स कमिंग आउट फॉर यू. अगर आपको गर्गा सिस्टम के बारे में नहीं पता था और अब मैंने आपको बता दिया है, तो डेफिनेटली आपके लिए एक नई चीज़ है, एक अकल्ट से रिलेटेड चीज़ है. बिकॉज द टावर कार्ड डेफिनेटली टेल्स मी सडन अप्स एंड डाउन्स, इट टेल्स मी द 8th हाउस, इट टेल्स मी यहाँ पर जो है एक कोई पुरानी चीज़ ख़त्म होके नई चीज़ आना, इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. So new information becomes important for you. New information becomes very important for you. So study about Garga system. Amazing concept. So that was your reading, pile number 3. I shall see you in the next reading. तब तक के लिए be positive, stay happy. हेलो पाइल 3, तो ये है आपकी रीडिंग. आपने चूज़ करा है ये ब्लू कलर का क्रिसमस ट्री, और आपका जो मून है वो थमासिक साइंस में, यानी कि आपका मून वर्गो, स्कॉर्पियो, कैप्रिकॉर्न या फिर एक्वेरियस साइन में है. वाई दी साइंस आर थमासिक? बिकॉज वर्गो डील्स विद आर डिजीजेस, डेथ्स, इट डील्स विद आर कॉम्पिटिशन, हर्डल्स, obstacles in life. Then we have the sign of Scorpio, which itself represents sudden ups and downs. It's about death and rebirth. It's about your in-laws. It's about your bed pleasures. It's about It's about the stagnant water also. See, Cancer is the flowing water. The Scorpio is represented by stagnant water, and stagnant water becomes dirty. And then we have the sign Pisces, जो कि एक सात्विक साइन है, because वो जो water है, it is coming from the heavens. So again, the water is different. Then we have the sign जो कि हम थमास मानते हैं, वो है Capricorn, which deals with going out in the world, going in the society and working, your work environment, your authority, fame. And then we have the sign of Aquarius, which is about large organization, profitable organization. It's the house, or it's the sign which deals with your elder siblings. It's about your network circle as well, your network circle also. So these are the themasic signs. So let's just get into your reading. आप कैसे person हो? So pile number 1 जो pile number 3 जो हैं वो कैसे पर्सन है, उनका क्या करियर हो सकता है, उनका क्या स्किल है, और वो कैसे पर्सन है. पाइल नंबर 3 जो है वो कैसे पर्सन है. पाइल नंबर 3 जो है वो कैसे पर्सन है. The Lovers card, we have 6 of swords, we have Page of Wands, we have 2 of swords, we have the 4 of Wands, and we have 5 of Cups here. Alright, पहले मैं ये cards जो है वो जचा लूँ. तो the number one thing which we see is that you have unconditional love in yourself. You are a person who has this unconditional love in yourself. आपको ये बात पता है कि प्यार जो है बांटने से बढ़ता है, द मोर द मेरियर. सो आपके लिए जो मास्टर कार्ड है, ओवरऑल आपकी पर्सनालिटी क्या है, आप कैसे पर्सन हो आखिर. पाइल नंबर 3 कैसे पर्सन है. पाइल नंबर 3 कैसे पर्सन है. वी हैव द व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून. डेफिनेटली आपके ऊपर जो है भगवान की छत्र छाया है. सो दैट्स देयर. भगवान की छत्र छाया है. दैट अनकंडीशनल लव इज एक्चुअली कमिंग फ्रॉम गॉड. It's coming from God, because God is the ocean of love and you are the master ocean of love, right? You are the master ocean of love. So again, that love and that care for others is there, because Aquarius says that I want to serve other people. Again, all the people who wants to know astrology, I want to tell you the Bhavat Bhavam of 12th house, 12th sign is Aquarius. The highest of highest is sign of Aquarius. It's not Pisces. It's not Pisces. Even though Pisces is a Sattvic sign, it's ruled by Jupiter. But Pisces says that I am spiritual, so I'm just going now. I do not want to be in society. I just want to go out now. Whereas Aquarius says that no, I'm still there. See, Pisces is retirement, Aquarius is still working. So you can have a dominating Aquarius. The Dhanishta nakshatra occurs in Aquarius sign. The nakshatra of Satabhisha occurs in Aquarius sign. The Purva Bhadrapada occurs in Aquarius sign, which is Purva Bhadra is about spirituality. It's about it's the deity is Aja Ekapada. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correct. Aja Ekapada. It is Aja Ekapada, right? Wait. It's am I pronouncing the name correctly? Yeah, the deity is the deity is Aja Ekapada, and I mean this is the nakshatra book which I was talking about. It's the research on nakshatra by Dr. Arjun Pai, amazing astrologer. I mean, Dr. Arjun Pai is one of the best astrologer we have, and of course on Keris channel Kapil Raj has invited him, and amazing astrologer. So in unki book hai ye, and so Aja Ekapada. So these, I mean, the number one thing, as I've told you before also, because the sign of Aquarius deals with the large organization, being part of large organization, naturally the person wants to serve other people. The person becomes very humanitarian, wants to do something for the society. You are a person who wants to do something for the society if you have Purva Bhadrapada dominating in your chart. And Purva Bhadrapada are the people who can somehow awaken their Kundalini. Purva Bhadrapada awakens their Kundalini in a different way. Uttara Bhadrapada will have a very good Kundalini awakening, or you can say a relaxed Kundalini awakening, whereas Purva Bhadrapada will have this what do you call जो जैसे बिजली कड़कना होता है, बिजली चमकना होता है, उस तरह से उनकी कुंडलिनी जो है awaken होती है. So it's kind of scary, but at the same time this is how if you want to awaken your Kundalini and you are Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra, you are born in Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra, meaning your Lagna is in it, your Lagna is in Purva Bhadrapada, your moon sign, your sun sign is in Purva Bhadrapada, your Atma Karkan is Purva Bhadrapada, you will see that you will have interest towards spirituality in a young age. And Purva Bhadrapada can always sacrifice themselves for the sake of people, for other people. So the humanitarian work becomes very important, the key here. See, the other nakshatras which occurs in Aquarius sign are Dhanishta and Satabhisha. As I've told you, in the second pile also, the Satabhisha deals with Varuna, and Varuna is the 1,000 stars in the sky, right? Stars sky mein honge. So the person is very much interested into these things. I have seen people, Satabhisha people, going in Air Force, and if you want to go in because from this pile as well as I can see that some people, because of this Page of Wands, will have Pundravasu Nakshatra, which is about Shri Ram. And I've gone through people who were actually pilots, and I thought that they will have Satyabhisha Nakshatra, but they didn't. They didn't have Satyabhisha, they had Pundravasu. And why Pundravasu was present was because the Pundravasu is the nakshatra which the symbol of Pundravasu is bow and arrow. और अगर हमने bow ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ है और arrow हमने ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ है, just like Shri Ram, और वो arrow हवा में जा रहा है, again the pilot, the aviation becomes important. So you can be a person who may be interested. Of course, we need Rahu here. Definitely we need Rahu, because Rahu is important. It gives aviation, it gives the professions in aviation, and as a pilot you need Pundravasu or Satyabhisha. And Satyabhisha people naturally go into air force, in military, in army. So that's there. But for you, pile number 3, if you have Pundravasu Nakshatra, you may have this feeling or this tendency to go in self exile, just like Six of Swords here. Six of Swords here. I'm not just saying this because I want to discuss nakshatras with you. It's because the cards are telling me. I combine Vedic astrology with the tarot, and I love to do that, and they become true for people. So I'm doing it because Six of Swords represents self-exile, having that baggage with you. Shri Ram was the obedient son. So as soon as the father said that you have to go in exile for 14 years, Shri Ram said that, okay, fine, I'm going, father, I'm going. So the person naturally just tells themselves that I want to get isolated. I just want to get isolated and then again come back to the kingdom, to his house. Because see, Pundravasu is also about return of light. And what do you mean by return of light? Meaning the light was there before, it went away and it again came back. So Venus with this Pundravasu, you will go through people who will have this on and off relationship with you. Especially Venus and Pundravasu, you will, if you have Venus and Pundravasu, you will have relationship where people are coming back and forth to you. On and on type of relationship, just like Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez. They always had this on and off relationship. Always. Of course, I haven't seen the charts of Selena Gomez or Justin Bieber. I can give example if I have to discuss Pundravasu. So definitely Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez. How many years they were together and they were off and on, off and on. In Pundravasu, always go through this, especially if Venus is there. And if your ascendant is in Pundravasu, if your Atmakarka, moon or sun is in Pundravasu, you will see things coming to you and again going back. Bankruptcy happening, 10th lord or 11th lord in Pundravasu, this is again, it's a very sensitive topic. But Donald Trump, okay, I do not know if I can discuss it on YouTube, but yeah, Donald Trump is a great example of Pundravasu. Again, a great example. I cannot say much about it here, but definitely he went through bankruptcy, not just once, but many a times. So yeah, that's there. And because Pundravasu's nakshatra deals with Shri Ram, so Shri Ram had his sibling, Lakshman, who was with him even जब वो exile पे चले गए थे. Lakshman was with the Shri Ram, right? And Sita was also there, but here we see the connection that the person, Pundravasu person, will always have a sibling or will always have a best friend who may sacrifice themselves because of you. They may sacrifice, they won't have this thing that they have to sacrifice because of you, but Pundravasu's friend or sibling will sacrifice themselves once in their life for the native. They will. Again, the Trump example, I can give Trump example, but it's YouTube. I have to cut these things out. If I even say it, I will cut it in the editing. I have to. So that's there. Pundravasu can be really strong in your chart. That's why we are talking about Pundravasu here. And you are listening about Pundravasu. The Wheel of Fortune. Definitely you are fortunate. You are fortunate in this life. The Lover's card tells me that yes, you will get your love in this life. You will. You have that unconditional love in yourself, so don't you think that if you have that unconditional love to give people, you will get that back. Whatever the energy you give to the universe, you get that back. Not in the same amount, but 10 गुना ज़्यादा आपकी तरफ वो प्यार की, वो लव की एनर्जी आती है. Then we have the Four of Wands, which represents marriage. It represents the mandap. It represents celebration. So naturally, it can happen within 4 years. You may get married if you are in a marriageable age, or within after 4 months you find a person for marriage. If you are in a marriageable age, of course, if you are 13 years old, you will not get married. So calm your horses down. So that's there. But the ages, if I have to predict from this pile, is 16, 14. 24, 34, 35, 25, 26, 36. 16 becomes important. Let me see what profession, what career will suit you the best. I have said this in the pile number 2 and pile number 1 also, that if you have Saturn Mars combination, definitely you can go in engineering. But again, if you are not into engineering and still you have this placement, it means that you have a technical mind. Saturn represents mechanics, whereas Mars represents being an engineer, being technical. So the technical skills becomes important. If you have the combination of Saturn, Moon, and if Ketu is also present there, you will see that you won't have a good relationship with your mother. Why? Why will you not have a good relationship with the mother? Because mother becomes very dominating and controlling, and you are a person who wants to flourish in their own way. So you don't want your mother to control you. Your mother will restrict you in doing certain things which you want to do. And your mind also becomes practical, because Saturn is practicality, it's the dryness. It tells the practical side of the life. So naturally the mind, the brain, it becomes practical, and your mother is very quite practical, and that's there. Let's just see the professions. Professions of pile number 3. We have the false person, we have the official person. ये same card निकल के आ रहे हैं, और मैंने अच्छे से जो है shuffle भी कर लिए हैं, but कुछ ना कुछ similarity ज़रूर है pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3 में. They are interconnected. So, and of course, we all are interconnected. We all are. Because हम सारे कौन हैं? We are the souls, and we are the children of the same God. हम सारे एक दूसरे से interconnected हैं, interlinked हैं. That's why you are seeing me, and that's why I somehow read your comments. Whether they are rude also at times, they are so rude. Please don't write such rude comments. It hurts. It really hurts. If you do not like my astrology, if you feel that I'm an what do you call immature, do not get reading from me. But I love to do readings. I love to do that, and they become true. So अगर आपके लिए work नहीं करा, I'm really sorry. What can I do? So if you do not want to see my readings, please don't see my readings, and do not just comment anything on the community section. जब भी मैं post करती हूँ community section पे, कुछ ना कुछ उस पे गलत लिख के ज़रूर आता है. If I even send something positive, something negative comes, and I also read these things. If I do not say something, that does not mean that I didn't read your comment. I did, and please don't write such comments. It's bad. It's raw. It's very rude, and yeah, it feels bad. Okay, just kidding. I do not care. That's me. It's my life. I do not care if you write bad about me. I do not. Haters, it's about you. And all the people who love me, all the people who loves to watch my videos, I appreciate you guys. And I know that you appreciate me, and I have that love for you. I do. So we have the house card. So we have the official person, we have the house card, we have the false person. So the number one thing is what? Real estate. Mars, real estate. 4th house, real estate. Why 4th lord? If 4th lord is in the nakshatra of Saravan, the person will have 3 pieces of land in their possession in one point of their life. I do not care how poor you are. You will have 3 pieces of land in your possession at one point of your life. And you may work in the government, you may work in for real estate. False person, Satyabhisha nakshatra. A Satyabhisha person can actually change their get-up and can spy on other people. वो अपना पूरा भेस बदल सकते हैं. And Amitabh Bachchan, if you know, in his movies, he had done certain characters where he has to change his whole getup and has to spy on other people. Again, that Satyabisha is playing out. It's not important that you have to be a secret agent or secret spy to activate your Satyabisha. Satyabisha person will only do that. But no, in your college also, if you go into drama field, you may have Satyabisha, dominating Satyabisha, and you may do roles which requires you to change your getup and play the secretive role, or to play the role of a person who is a spy. So definitely यहाँ पर CCTV becomes also important. CCTV भी यहाँ पर important है for Satyabisha. These people can also somehow work in the CCTV industry. अब CCTV industry क्या है? Making CCTV cameras. They can also do that. You may also have a business, because here I can see riches coming. So of course government से भी आपको जो है wealth मिलती है, income है, अच्छी है, but you can also go in business. Real estate का business becomes really important for you, great for you. So pile number 3 ये थी आपकी रीडिंग. आई होप मैंने आपका करियर, आपके स्किल आपको अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब करा हो. तो या आई शैल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट रीडिंग. तब तक के लिए बी पॉजिटिव, स्टे हैप्पी.